Friday night, Creekside Customs. I need to get me a tripod. I'm out here block sanding this tailgate on the 59 El Camino. Give a shout out to Norton Abrasives for their absolutely fantastic sandpaper we use. You know, it's a fact that the faster you sand, the faster you go, the more material you'll take on. Switch hands here. Yeah, I need to get me some GoPro camera or something. Anyway, thought I'd give y'all an update. We got the hood primed and the car's primed, so we just got to do a little more sanding on it, and Gary will be able to prep it for paint here before long. Somebody didn't use guide coat on it. They used black spray paint. That's the reason it's so kind of tough to get off here. All right, y'all have a good Friday evening, good weekend. Thanks for following us. I'll check in with you later.